of the studio's project. Now we'd like to talk to you about a quite important project for us, the global rebranding of the Musée d'Orsay, which include Orsay Elsevier, the typeface we designed for. And we are particularly pleased because we haven't yet had the opportunity to present this project in public. So let's go.
Yes. So to put this into context, there was a public competition in 2021 for the complete redesign of the visual identity and signage. We answered with a signage design agency called the Designer Unit, and there were two phases. First, a portfolio and a letter intent, and then a graphic design proposal. And at the very beginning of 2022, we won the competition, and we were really, really happy.
So the Musée d'Orsay is particularly famous for its impressionist painting, but it is dedicated to the whole artistic expression from a specific period, 1848 to 1914. And the museum was inaugurated in 1986.
So it was a bit impressive for us to win because it's a huge museum, one of the most visited in the world, as you can see in the map.
This is the iconic logotype designed by Jean Villemer and Bruno Monguzzi for the museum inauguration in 86. So we proposed keeping it and including it from the beginning in the visual identity system because it seemed to us to be the